Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete shortcut on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to delete shortcut on Snapchat allows you to declutter your interface and remove shortcut that you no longer use or need. And also by deleting unnecessary shortcut, you can streamline your Snapchat experience, making it easier to navigate and access the features or contacts that matter most to you. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Well, after that, here you have to enter to the chat tabs and then click new option. Okay, so now tap on the existing shortcut. After that, look for the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on it. Okay, so now you can select delete shortcut option here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete shortcut on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.